Hello? Now you will listen to a simple story. This story is about a man. His name is Tom.
Hello, my name is Tom. Today I want to tell you about my day. I live in a small town. My town is quiet and nice. I like my town. In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open my eyes. I look at the window. The sun is shining. In the bathroom, I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I feel good. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I eat eggs and bread. I drink a cup of tea. Today I drink tea, not coffee. At 8 o'clock, I put on my jacket and my shoes. I take my bag. I go out of my house. The weather is good. It is not cold. It is not hot. I walk to work. My work is not far from my home. I like to walk. On the way, I see people. I see a man with a dog. I see a woman with a child. I see cars and buses. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. I say hello to my coworkers. They say hello to me. I work in an office. My job is simple. I work on a computer. I read emails. I write messages. I drink water. At 12 o'clock, I have lunch. I eat soup, rice, and salad. I drink juice. I talk with my coworkers. We talk about work. We talk about life. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I feel a little tired but happy. I go home. I take a bus. The bus is full of people. I look out of the window. I think about my evening. When I come home, I take off my bag. I change my clothes. In the evening, I cook dinner. I make pasta. Pasta is easy and tasty. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I watch a simple show. I like relaxing shows. After dinner, I study English. I read simple texts. I listen to English stories. English is not easy, but I like it. Every day I learn a little more. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I brush my teeth. I turn off the light. I think about my day. It was a good day. I close my eyes, I sleep. This is my day. It is simple but nice.
Thank you for listening. This was a simple English story. Listen and read every day. And learn English step by step. See you in the next lesson.